How to stop App Store from asking you password whenever you are trying to download some free apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can stop App Store from asking you password when you are trying to download a free app. So let me show you what I mean. So first of all, let me go to App Store and then simply search for Twitter, as it is a free app. Now as you can see, instead of the cloud icon, it is showing me get, meaning I have not yet downloaded Twitter on my device. So when I try to tap on the option get, it will ask me to enter either my Face ID or the password of my Apple account. So in this video, I'll show you how you can remove that. So to do that, first of all, we'll go to our settings. Now tap on your name right over here. After that, simply tap on the option media and purchases right over here. Now go to password settings. After that, simply tap on the option always require password, and then where it says for free downloads, if you toggle this on, it will ask for your passwords, but if you toggle this off, it will not ask for your passwords. Now let's back out. After that, scroll down and then go to Face ID and passcode. Now enter the password of your iPhone. Now what you'll have to do is simply untoggle this part where it says iTunes and App Stores. After that, now let us check whether it is again asking for our password or not. So we'll simply again go to Twitter and then tap on the option get, and simply tap on the option install, and there you have it. So that is basically how you enable App Store to not ask you password whenever you are trying to download free apps. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.